Installing a new thermostat is a great way to save energy and money. There are 4 main types of thermostats, so before purchasing one, determine which one best suits your lifestyle. A non-programmable thermostat is just that, and simple to adjust if you're rarely away from home. A programmable thermostat lets you pre-program the temperature with daily and weekly settings, ideal for climates with big temperature changes. A Wi-Fi thermostat allows you to assess and adjust your temperature from your smartphone. This is great if you want to control your home's temperature while you're away. A smart thermostat takes the Wi-Fi thermostat one step further and learns your heating and cooling behavior. You can also manage it from other smart devices. I'm going to show you all the tips and tricks to install your thermostat like a pro. Here's what you'll need. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install a smart thermostat. But here's a little tip: no matter what type of thermostat you're installing, most of the steps are going to be the same. Stick around till the end and I'll show you a sneak peek on how to install other units too. The first step is to turn off power to your HVAC on your electrical panel. Make sure your new thermostat does not exceed the voltage on your current circuit. This could cause a potential fire hazard. By removing the face off my thermostat, I can confirm that the voltage is compatible. Be sure to take a photo of the wires. This will help you remember which terminal codes the wires went into. Check to make sure the wires are compatible with the thermostat you're installing. Now you can unscrew the wires from their terminal. Make sure these wires don't fall back into the wall. All right, now we're ready to remove the base plate. If your new thermostat doesn't cover up the old holes, you will want to patch these first. I'm going to use this trim plate to make sure that we cover up the old holes on the wall. Attach your thermostat base by screwing it to the wall. Use the level to ensure your thermostat is straight. Then finish attaching it to the wall. Connect the wires to their appropriate terminals on the new mounting plate. On this thermostat, you will push the button down to attach the wires. On other thermostats, you may have to screw them in place. Now, I'm going to show you what the installation looks like on some other thermostats. For the programmable and non-programmable thermostat, push down the button and insert the wires into the appropriate terminals. A Wi-Fi unit is just as easy to install. Feed the wires into the terminals until they click into place. Mount the thermostat control unit to the base by snapping it into place. Then restore power to your HVAC on your electrical panel. And operate your thermostat according to manufacturer's instructions. And just like that, you can have your thermostat system upgraded in no time. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.